Well, I want to show you how to enter a formula on the Excel assignment in ACC 250. So here's the instructions on the Excel analysis assignment. And it tells you here to receive full credit, you've got to use the references and formulas. It says do not copy or paste or hard code, meaning type in the final answers. You won't get full credit. So let me show you an example. This is completely done. Okay, this is the spreadsheet, the transaction spreadsheet. And this is where the numbers come from for the financial statements. So for the income statement, this student has put in 9,500. And I know that it's a direct input because up here there's no formula. So this student would not get full credit for this because they're supposed to use formulas. And it even tells you here again, you've got to use the formula. So while 9,500 is correct, where did that 9,500 come from? Let's put in the formula instead. So we're going to take that out. We're going to do an equal sign and then go back to the spreadsheet where the number came from. Click that and you'll see the little dotted lines around it indicating that it is linking back to that cell. So then hit enter on your keyboard. Boom. So now instead of just 9,500, we actually have the formula up here. Now for the expenses, it tells you over here in the instructions, for expenses, you're going to have to put a negative sign in front of each formula for it to reverse the sign. So over here we had negative 1,500, negative 1,100. This student has put those correct numbers into the expenses sales here, but it was a direct entry. It's not going to count for full credit. We've got to have the formula. Now, it said to enter a negative sign in front. So we're going to do equals negative, and then go back over here, pull that salary expense number, enter. Here, enter, we're going to do equals negative. Over here, pull that salary expense, enter. So now this income statement would receive full credit because it's got formula, formula, and formula. Okay. For the rest of them, your owner contribution, now this one has the correct thing here. It's got the formula. See how these are in there. It's coming straight from the what we just figured out for net income. So that 6,900 came from right here. It's referencing cell E15, that one, right? So if we look over here, it says enter answer to, that's the name of this sheet, E15. That's where we want it to come from. So let me just take it out and redo it here. We want it equals, go to enter answers to, click E15, enter. And now we have the formula in there. So if this student had typed in 6,900, they're going to get the correct answer here. They're not going to receive full credit because this has got to be a formula. Boom. Okay. Balance sheet is going to be the same way. All these are already have, let's just do them real quick. For cash, I'll pull that from our spreadsheet over here. Boom. Enter. Accounts receivable equals, pull it from our spreadsheet, 400. Boom. Office supplies equals, pull it from our spreadsheet. Boom. And land, we're going to say equals, pull it from our spreadsheet. Boom. All right, so now we have total assets. These are already completed for you here on this one. So we've got assets equals liabilities and equity. Okay, so hopefully that helps a little bit with the formula issue that some of you have been having as far as getting full credit on those.